Hey guys, welcome back to Kidz Coding Club YouTube channel, and we are still in our coding with Scratch series. Quickly, in this project, we'll be looking at another animation, and we call these glowing stars. Glowing stars. Okay, so we'll be creating some stars, and then we'll be coding them to glow, just like the finished project you were about to see now. Okay, so how do we create this project? So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the trash scan to take away that sprite. Then I'm going to select backdrop, and then I'll select space and use the star backdrop. Okay, and then I'll pick my sprites and select star. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to position my star right here, and then I'll start coding. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to bring in my when green flag is clicked, I want to hide this star at the beginning. Okay, so I will say broadcast message one. Okay, so I will go to control and say broadcast message one. So when I receive message one, I want to make this star wait, let's say 2 seconds, and then go to looks and show. Then when it shows up, I want to make a sound. Okay, so I'm going to say play sound, and then I want to choose a sound. So I'll choose a sound, and I'll come to effects and select this suction cup. This one. Okay, go back to my code and say suction cup. Okay, so if I click on my green flag, let's see. Good. Okay, so when it does that, I want to make it change color. So I'll say change color by 5. Okay, change color by 5. So I want to make it to keep changing the color. Okay, so I'll put a forever code. So let's see that. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so I'll select another sprite, and then I'll still pick my star. Okay, so this time around I want to position it here and then make it change reduce size by 50. Okay, and then I'll say when the green flag is clicked, I also want to hide this star. Then when I receive message one, don't forget to broadcast message one here. Okay, so when I receive message one, I want this star to wait for about 2.5 seconds, okay, and then I want to make it show up. Once it show up, I want to make a sound, and I'll go to sound, select the sound effect, and the suction cup again. Okay, so I'll select suction cup. Okay, so once it's do that, I also want it to change in color, but this time around I want it to change -5. Okay, and then I'll put change in color in forever loop. Okay, so let's play that. Let's see. Okay, okay, all right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to duplicate this second star as many as I want. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Okay, so I'm going to position them just like I want. Yeah, okay, so when I receive message 1 for the third star, I want it to wait for 3 seconds and then show, and then play the suction cup sound. Okay, for the fourth star, I want it to wait 3.5 seconds. For the fifth star, I want it to wait 4 seconds. So let's play that and let's see. Okay. So alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is to bring in our space Earth. So what is our space Earth? Okay, our planet 2, I mean, to bring in our planet 2. Okay, so what we want the planet 2 to do is when it receive message 1, okay, when green flag is clicked first, we want to make sure the planet is hiding. Okay, so when we receive message 1, don't forget we broadcasted message 1 here. So when we receive message 1, we want our planet to wait for about 7 seconds and then show up. Okay, did you get that? Good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is we want to set a position. So I'm in motion block. We want to set a position for a planet. So let the planet be here, and then we want to make the planet glide all through to this place. So I'll pick the glide to this place, and then once it glides to this place, I want it to disappear. So I'll select hide. Okay, so let's see that. Okay. Then our planet shows up and then move so fast. Okay, so we want to make it move slower. So I'm going to make this 2. Let's see. Stay fast. So let's make it 4 instead. Okay, so let's play again. Okay, so I'll just leave it at 5 and first, leave it at 5. Okay, so while all of these are going on, we want to play a sound. Okay, so I'll go to the first star and I'll say play sound for me. So I'll go to sound and select sound. I'll go to loops and then pick this xylophone one. Okay, and then I want to make it not too loud. Okay, so I'll reduce the volume here. It's softer. Okay, so let's stop our project. So I'll say oh, let's delete this and bring in this. Okay, so I'll put it in a forever loop and say when green flag clicked. Okay, so let's see that. Alright, so I believe you understand how our project has been done. Okay, so I also want you to create your own project, and let me know in the comment section if you're able to do your own, if you're able to recreate your own project watching this project video. Okay, will you do that for me? Good, 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 good. I want you to do that for me. Alright, so I'll go to preview mode and then start our project again and see. Okay, okay. Alright, so that will be all for this project. I hope you enjoy this section. Alright, so I'll be seeing you in our next project video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go to the down part of this video and click subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that when next we have a new project video up, you can be the first to get notified. Okay, so I'll see you in our next project. Bye.